Prepare yourself for financial success, because XRP is seeing a meteoric rise, perhaps rising to levels between $1,650 and $2,900. By the end of 2024, this is more than just hyperbolic talk, it's based on a big breakthrough. BlackRock, the financial behemoth that pioneered a profitable Bitcoin ETF, is about to launch an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF. Their impressive track record of getting nearly every ETF proposal they've submitted approved is truly remarkable. However, there's more. Not all of it is BlackRock making waves. Besides entering the market, Grayscale has included XRP in its cryptocurrency portfolio and suggested an XRP ETF. This underscores the increasing prominence of XRPs and Ripple Laboratories in the field of global transactions. Before delving deeper into today's topic, let us briefly discuss BAS Face. I'm asking for a tiny favor from you. Press the like button now. Turn on that notification by subscribing. Bell to become a part of our incredible group. Let's explore the fascinating world of XRP now and see what's fresh as of late. Further analysis of the data reveals that BlackRock, the world leader in assets, has an almost flawless reputation for ETF approvals. Supervisory. The way the traditional finance sector views digital currencies has changed significantly as a result of BlackRock's venture into cryptocurrency and Web 3.0. BlackRock's ETF approval percentage is an astounding 99.98%, making it an unstoppable force. Their nearly flawless approval record for ETFs is a monument to their unequaled expertise in navigating the financial environment. Understanding the big picture in the ETF market is crucial since huge financial companies like JP Morgan and BlackRock have been actively gathering reports on XRP in addition to merely keeping a watch on the company. According to a leaked document, these giants have put more than 7.5% of their entire wealth into XRP. A recent, carefully researched article even alluded to BlackRock's potential change in emphasis. Completely switched from Bitcoin to XRP, indicating a major change in their approach to investing. This action suggests a spike in interest in XRP, making the prospect of a BlackRock-backed XRP ETF more likely than ever. However, this is where things get even more interesting. A new development in the XRP saga has revealed the existence of an XRP ETP. Its creator is still unknown, but its existence is a crucial step towards an ETF. Reports indicate that, despite having been launched, the XRP ETP is still in the pre-release phase, valued at $0, and is expected to be unveiled soon. More rumors are also circulating. When we put this into perspective, especially considering Bitcoin surged to $43,000 even before its ETF launched, about the simultaneous launch of an XRP ETF aligning the debut of both the ETP and ETF, this parallel release not only makes sense but also underscores rapid progress toward the ETF, potentially following just weeks after the launch of a Bitcoin ETF. The potential for XRP is enormous. Once the ETF is released onto the market, we might see an explosion in XRP's value, perhaps reaching $1,650 or even $1,500. Listen up, the XRP ETP has actually launched, so this isn't as crazy as it sounds. Directly leading to the launch of an XRP ETF in a matter of weeks. As many of you may not be aware, Vittle, a titan in the financial world, officially released the XRP exchange-traded product. This means that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission will likely approve the XRP ETF soon. In fact, we recently discussed a published article that implied that an XRP ETF might be on the horizon based on a report that none other than BlackRock leaked. This leak suggested that an ETF filing for XRP was imminent, and to further heighten the anticipation, a leading BlackRock analyst confirmed in the open that a BlackRock ETF would be launched explicitly. They even went so far as to mention that I share XRP trust in connection with an ETF filing that initially raised doubts about XRP. When I checked this out for myself, I saw that it was mentioned there. This is a game-changing development that demonstrates how closely we are witnessing a seismic shift in XRP's market presence, possibly matching or even surpassing the swings we've witnessed with Bitcoin's ETF. The Delaware List of Corporations website recent studies have revealed an important advancement in cryptocurrency. JP Morgan and BlackRock have each purchased more than 7.5 million XRP, demonstrating their institutional involvement. Not merely by hoarding XRP, BlackRock is spearheading the cryptocurrency movement, but also by utilizing the XRP ledger in their business practices, and most significantly, by moving forward with the public introduction of an XRP ETF. Given BlackRock's almost perfect record of ETF approvals, the possibility that the XRP ETF will be approved, there is a very high green light. It is impossible to overestimate the influence of an XRP ETF on its value, which is why it has a target price of $983,000. I, along with everyone else who is incorporating the XRP ledger into their systems, and the Republic of Palau creating its digital currency on the XRP ledger for its central bank. This situation offers a typical example of high volume, high demand, and limited supply, which naturally suggests that the value of an XRP coin will soar, a subject that has been gaining a lot of attention lately. Is this how some people perceive my optimism? That XRP is simply a pipe dream, then perhaps they're right. However, let me counter that I wholeheartedly support this theory. That's powerful stuff, so I'm rolling it up into a giant one, lighting it, and inhaling deeply. I firmly believe so. When things are hard and you're hanging on, if you're not on board with hope and thinking, I hope it's a lifeline. That's all wishful thinking, which is perfectly acceptable, but I don't see that as a drawback. My motto is to encourage one another. Anything less feels like throwing tokens into thin air, and that's not what we're about. We're here to stay. Positive, and speaking of positivity, I'm enjoying the thought-provoking discussions and opposing viewpoints that each of you has shared. Really causes the brain's gears to turn. One concept brought up regarding institutions and XRP was that they don't always have to purchase it. In fact, leasing is now a possibility. That's something to think about, isn't it? I had an idea. What would happen if ordinary investors were the only ones purchasing XRP? I looked into this and even questioned ChatGPT about how many transactions the SWIFT system processes per day. The astonishing response was more than $7 trillion. Keep in mind that this only accounts for international trade. It does not take into account the derivatives market, which is currently worth quadrillions, smart contracts, NFTs, or tokenized assets like real estate. Consider how XRP might be involved in each of these domains, but let's focus on a few. If we take that $7 trillion and decrease it to less than half, that amount would only apply to international trade in the region where SWIFT works. Let's imagine what may occur if XRP, which has 1,700 connections, yes, Ripple and XRP have really raised the bar, were to handle just $3 trillion of that amount every day. That would mean that $3 trillion would need to be maintained within the system. According to our earlier discussion, assuming that some of these connections will invest in it is reasonable. On that day, this scenario could potentially push the value of XRP to over 150 per token, so it's clear the value is bound to rise. Even if institutions choose to lease rather than purchase, after the system is turned on, values can rise above $150. Take a moment, because if XRP manages even half of this market, that is, the full range of bank transfers, we're talking about well over $100 per coin. Let this idea calm you down. Perhaps while sipping an adult beverage, consider the possibilities of this hopium vision. The world is full of amazing opportunities, but keep in mind that I am not a certified financial advisor. These videos' material is only meant to be watched for enjoyment. I always advise viewers that before making any financial decisions, they should do their own research and speak with experts. Many thanks. If you liked the video, please tune in. Would you kindly give it a thumbs up and remember to click the subscribe button as well? Ensure that the notifications are turned on to be the first to know about the introduction of fresh content that I'm eager to watch. I hope you enjoy the upcoming video.